Okay, this is great news. As of yesterday, April 3rd, 2020, Flipgrid will now allow us to record our computer screens using Flipgrid. No more going to other websites. We can do it right here in Flipgrid. And I touched on this yesterday in my video, screen recording. I wasn't exactly sure what it was. It said beta. It's brand new. That's why I didn't know what it was yet. And this is how we're going to use it. So we go into our slide deck, and where the kids would add, we can do actions, record our response, click on screen recording. Okay, so it gives you a 3, 2, 1 countdown timer, and then it begins recording your screen. Even in the recordings, you can add fun filters. So I'm going to add my favorite, the pixelation. Recording my screen. That's amazing. Once you are done recording your screen, you hit pause and then next. And you go on and take your selfie and you post it to your grid. So this is awesome. I'm loving it. So once you're done recording using Flipgrid, you have the option to go up here, share. You copy that link, you email it out, share it to Google Classroom, however you want to share it, and your recording of your screen is done. Nice and easy. Thank you, Flipgrid, for this upgrade as of April 3rd, 2020. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload new content. And don't forget, take that step. Be uniquely wonderful you. Bye.